Ladies and gentlemen, if you've been following me and watching my videos from the beginning of the month, then you already know what I'm working on. And finally, it's come to an end. Today, I'll be assembling the tabletop and the table legs, shipping them off to their destination. But before we get into the video, I want to thank everyone who watches my video. Thank you for your likes, shares, and most importantly, your subscriptions. Thank you so much. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, if not already. Now, the space here, as you can see, is a little bit small, so we are gonna head out to a different location and complete the assembly. Join me on this epic grand finale episode of my project work. Let's go.